This is the Alinco DX70TH that I have for sale, and what I'm going to demonstrate now is it develops full power on all bands. Currently on 160. You can look on the right hand meter of the Heath kit, watt meter, you can see 100 watts. And it'll jump up to 75, again 100 watts plus, 40 meters, 100 watts plus, 30 meters, 100 watts plus, 20 meters, 100 watts plus, 17, 100 watts plus, 15 meters, 100 watts plus, 12 meters, 100 watts plus, and 10 meters, 100 watts plus. And now continuing on with power checks, we put the watt meter on the 6 meter output, and we're indicating looks like about 98 watts. The Heath kit meter is not really rated for 6 meters, but it's developing full output. Just demonstrating now that the spectrum is clean, looking at the output on 6 meters, keeping the transmitter at the 100 watt power level, and there's 80 dB of dynamic range on the spectrum analyzer, so you can see it's clean, very clean transmitter. And now we're going to move on to 20 meters, and we'll do the same test there. Okay, we switched to antenna cables, and now have the spectrum analyzer on the HF output again. We're operating at 14.250, and you can see the same 80 dB range, and transmitter is clean as a whistle. Yeah, it's just the Alinco here. We're listening on 20 meters, just to show the receiver is working well, sounds good. Filter setting is narrow, has a choice of narrow or normal, and has a really nice receiver, has always worked very well.
I think this is the 10th year I've had it. I got it in 2001, if I remember right, Larry. So it's been a good radio. The receiver section, debatable on that, but I'm going to keep it. I have no reason to change. I don't need any other radios. I have an old TF830 over here.
Now listening on 75 meters now, and single sideband, and again, receiver sounds fine.
What's that? Water and weight.
Just demonstrating the sensitivity from my signal generator here on 75 meters, 3850. That's 1 microvolt, 0.3 microvolts, and down to 0.1 microvolts. That's the same sensitivity test now on 20 meters, 14250. That's a 1 microvolt. It's 0.3 microvolts and 0.1 microvolts. Let's continue with the sensitivity test. Now we're on 6 meters, 50.130, and that's the 1 microvolt signal. It's 0.3 microvolts, and that's 0.1 microvolts.